I will establish my covenant with you. Neither shall all flesh be cut off any more by the waters of a flood, neither shall any more be a flood to destroy the earth. And God said, This is the token of the covenant which I make between me and you and every living creature that is with you for perpetual generations. I do set my bow in the cloud, and it shall be for a token of a covenant between me and the earth. And it shall come to pass, when I bring a cloud over the earth, that the bow shall be seen in the cloud. And I will remember my covenant which is between me and you and every living creature of all flesh. And the water shall no more become a flood to destroy all flesh. And the bow shall be in the cloud, and I will look upon it, that I may remember the everlasting covenant between God and every living creature of all flesh that is upon the earth. And God said unto Noah, This is the token of the covenant which I have established between me and all flesh that is upon the earth.
Tom Baker has been following this developing story for us and joins us now here with the latest. Tom.
Fast-moving story. I remember watching Paradise burn down live and in person. This is another case of Paradise Lost.
Good evening. It's been a little slice of paradise for 150 years, but tonight the historic Hawaiian town of Lahaina is wiped out. The fire devastation across the island of Maui is staggering, with at least 55 people dead and another number of great concern, 1,000 still missing.
Street after street of paradise lost.
What we saw was likely the largest natural disaster in Hawaii's state history.
80% of the tourist town of Lahaina is gone. Thursday's sunrise gave a full picture of the damage left behind. Entire blocks of homes and businesses wiped out. Some residents told us they never received official warnings.
It was always called paradise. From the time the Hawaiian island of Maui came into view from the airliner window to the last minutes on the piece of land in the middle of the Pacific, paradise was a word often heard. Today it is far from paradise. Second largest of the string of several Hawaiian islands, Maui is fighting for its life.